ട്യൂട്ടോറിയൽസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. എഡ്യൂക്കേഷണൽ സൈക്കോളജിയിലെ കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. ടു പ്രൊവൈഡ് കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ടു ദ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് എ ടീച്ചർ ഷുഡ് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് പ്രൊവൈഡിംഗ് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് ഓഫ് വർക്കിംഗ് വിത്ത് കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി, ബി ഗിവ് ലെക്ചേഴ്സ് ഓൺ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി ലൈഫ്, സി അറേഞ്ച് ലെക്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് എമിനൻറ്റ് മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി, ഡി അറേഞ്ച് ഫിലിം ഷോസ് ഷോയിങ് എ റിയൽ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി ലൈഫ്. Answer: provide opportunities of working with community. Second question: for including national values, which of the following program is not relevant? A. National song, B. Morning prayer, C. Celebration of Republic Day, D. Celebration of Independence Day. Answer: morning prayer. Third question: which one of the following traits reflects the most the spirit of the Buddhist philosophy? Options: service to humanity, B. simplicity, C. ahimsa, D. love. Answer: simplicity. Question number 4. Modernization of a society is best reflected by option A. increased use of modern gadgets, B. adoption of the lifestyle of a modern society, C. scientific outlook in thinking and working, D. consumption of rich food items. Answer: scientific outlook in thinking and working. Next question: the strongest factor that caused sudden social changes in the latter half of the 20th century in India is options A. political changes, B. technological advancement, C. cultural contacts, D. expansion of education. Answer: expansion of education. Sixth question: education in broader term means A. acquisition of knowledge, B. training of individual, C. acquisition of some skill, D. harmonious development of individual. Answer: harmonious development of individual. Next question: axiology is the study of the options nature of the universe, laws governing reasoning, C. nature of values, D. nature of reality. Answer: nature of values. Next question: education and socio-economic development are option A. related in direct proportion, B. related in indirect proportion, C. sometimes related and sometimes not related, D. not at all related. Answer: related in direct proportion. Next question: social reform aims at changing the option A. existing values of society, B. norms of the group, C. religious practices, D. habits of the individuals. Answer: existing values of the society. Next question: values are best developed in children through option A. telling moral stories, B. giving suitable experiences, C. rote memorizing values, D. teaching about values. Answer: giving suitable experiences. Next question: philosophy and education are two sides of the same coin in the sense that option A. philosophy makes education more meaningful, B. effective teaching is not possible without a sound philosophy of life, C. philosophy provides the basis for the entire structure of education, D. philosophy makes the teacher a better teacher. Answer: philosophy provides the basis for the entire structure of education. Next question. Socrates is known as a great teacher because he, option A, used questioning technique in teaching. B, was a master of philosophy. C, taught on the streets of Athens. D, taught the poor young men. Answer: used questioning technique in teaching. Next question. The family imparts education to the child. Option A, formally. B, informally. C, deliberately. D, regularly. Answer: informally. Next question. The most important function of education in a developing nation is: option A, economic development. B, human resource development. C, industrial development. D, political development. Answer: human resource development. Next question. The most powerful tool in the process of modernization of society is: option A, the progressive schools. B, enlightened citizenship. C, people's new way of living. D, science and technology based education. Answer: science and technology based education. Thank you.